Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. My name is Sabera Mubashir and I am your mathematics teacher. Today in this video lecture you are going to learn division by 2 digits number. But before starting the lecture, let's have a look on division vocabulary. For this you need to pay attention to the whiteboard. You may have seen this sign whenever there is a division related question, but do you know what this sign is really called? This sign is known as division sign. We also call it long division sign too. And whatever the number that we write inside this division sign is known as dividend. For example, if you write 14 under this sign, the 14 will be known as dividend because this number is needed to be divided. And whatever the number that we write outside this sign is known as divisor. For example, if we write 7 here, the 7 will be known as divisor. And whatever the number that we write above this sign is known as quotient. For example, if we write 2 here, the 2 will be known as quotient. These are all known as the vocabulary of division. Here parents and teacher needs to pay close attention to the students. If they are using the right vocabulary, their confusion will be eradicated. There are several methods for division, and here we will first discuss bus stop method. What is the bus stop method? This method says first you divide, then you multiply, then you subtract, bring down the digit, repeat the process till you get the result. Now we will discuss a question by using this bus stop method. Here is a question, 98 divided by 7. This question is needed to be converted or written in the long division form. Let's do it. We are going to write 98 under the division symbol. This is known as dividend. Now we are going to write divisor outside the division sign. Now first divide the 9 with 7. Read the table. As you know that 7 once times is equal to 7. 7 2 times is equal to 14. As you can see, 14 is greater than 9, so we cannot use it. Let's go back and use 7 once times 7. 7 once time 7. Now subtract it, we will get 2. Bring down the digit 8 down as it is. Now read the table. 7 2s are 14, as we know that. 7 3 times is equal to 21. 7 4 times is equal to 28. So we will go with 7 4 times. 7 4 times will give us 28. By subtracting, we get nothing. Here's our question. Now look at this and see, didn't we follow the bus method rule? First we put this question under the division sign, then we multiply it. 7 once times 7, we multiply it. And third time we subtract it like this. We subtract 7 from 9. Then we bring down the digit like 8. We bring down the digit and then we repeat the process again. This is known as the bus stop method. Now we are going to solve another question with remainder. The earlier question we solved in which we get 0, that was without remainder. Now we are going to solve this question. Again, we are going to write this number under the division sign. This is our dividend and this is our divisor. 278 is written under the division sign. The divisor is written outside the division sign. Let's solve it. Read out the table. 25. 25 one time is equal to 25. 25 2 times will give us 50. that is obviously greater than this number. So we need to write 25 ones time is equal to 25. We are going to subtract it and we will get 2. Bring down this number as it is. Now again, read the table till you get 28 or the number less than 28. Again, we know that if we read is 25 two times, it will become a bigger number, which we don't need it. So again, 25 ones time will again give us 25. By subtracting, we will get 3. Now as you can see, the 3 is much smaller than our divisor, so we cannot divide it anymore. So the 3 is known as remainder. The remainder is a number that is not divided by our divisor. So this question will solve is as it is. So by this bus stop method we get 11 is our quotient, 3 is our remainder, and 25 is our divisor. That's it. Hope so you find this method convenient. Don't forget to practice at home. Till then, see you. Allah Hafiz.